Donna noticed her hair was thinning as she got older. It made her self-conscious and changed the way she socialized with friends.
I think I was in my 40s, thereabouts, and just noticed it thinning, and always kind of wanted longer hair, but couldn't grow it out because it was so fine and so thin. I realized this is going to be my life. I'm going to, just have very, very thin, fine hair. I think I just resigned myself to the fact that this is the way it is.
After trying different solutions, Donna finally found the one that worked for her. She realized how significant her hair loss had become and how much better she felt with her hair.
I don't think it was until after I found a solution that I realized maybe how much my self-esteem wasn't up to par. I was so excited about the solution that I had found that I couldn't wait. I would almost say to people, "You're not going to believe this, but I'm wearing a system." The day that I left the studio and I got to work, everyone was waiting in the hallway, and there's about 30 employees there. And I walked in the door, walked up the stairs, and everyone started clapping. And they were making all kinds of, like, "Oh my gosh, you can't even tell. And I was like, "I know, isn't this just amazing?"
For more information, call Invisions at 800-842-4247 or visit us online at envisionshair.com.